Welcome to our recap of our excavation works that took place on September 1st and 2nd at Minkowski. Volunteers are here, nothing better than free labor, but seriously, this would have not been possible without them. Most importantly, we have a professional drilling crew with truckloads of equipment. We start with unloading and setting up a lifting tripod, then tanks to separate sand from groundwater, plus other smaller equipment pieces. Pumps that are inserted into the well will remove the water with sand and soil to the tanks, and all particulate matter will fall to the bottom. This will be removed with shovels later, and the overflow of water will be either put back in the hole and reused, or discarded to the local trench. About to start the drilling process. All hands on deck needed. Once one large pipe is deep enough in the ground, we clean the edges, put another pipe on top using a forklift. No joking around here, since each one of these pieces is 1.5 tons of steel. And then we weld it together. Fence has not been hurt in the process. The process of pumping continues until we set another 2-meter piece of the pipe on top, and welding repeats. First 2 pipes went in smooth. Third one, not so much. Side friction around the pipes was more than its weight could press it down. We kept trying until we ran out of daylight. And then we worked some more, even in the dark. The whole crew is going above and beyond. Absolute dream team. Next day, we returned to notice that the groundwater filled our pipe. This proved later to be a bigger challenge that we could handle. We tried to use more powerful pumps to be quicker and more efficient in getting down. Sadly, one pump failed after another, being filled and stuck with fine sand. They need to be taken apart and cleaned at the shop. We had to use our last third pump, electric for that matter. And this one needed so much electricity that our overcurrent circuit breaker kept popping. We need an electrician. Frustration and discouragement hit us like a ghost from the past. In the meantime, we stayed busy working on the other side of the orangery in another pipe. This came to a small fruition, where we found coins from 1942, 43, and 44, Reichsbank's Phoenix, proving that Germans were here. We would love to say
Nazis were here,
which is likely considering their location, but that is only our speculation, addressing some of your comments. Small coins, but a huge encouragement. There's nothing more that we wanted than some proof that we are in the right spot. Recapping our work, we need heavy-duty vibrators to shake down the pipes while pumping the water out at the same time. Electrician has been ordered and pumps are scheduled to be fixed. All together, we are 5-6 meters deep. Still, a few more to go. Thanks to our donors, the vibrators are already on its way. Some may say that we are using simple techniques, not to say primitive. Well, we are doing what we can with what we have financially. Most importantly, these are archaeological excavations that have plenty of limitations. Finally, we are using almost the same technology used here by the Nazis. If you share our frustration and running out of patience, simply donate money via patreon.com/SilesianBridge, and we will double the crew and double the equipment. Something we would all love to see. Finish line is so close, yet so far. While the crew was working hard at the orangery, We have found a moment to visit a local cemetery at Minkowski to pay our respect at the grave of an unknown soldier. We haven't forgotten all those who sacrificed their lives during the war, including those at Minkowski. Thank you for watching and all the kind words of support.